In this video, we'll learn about document object model. So let's get started. Hello guys, you're watching Technical Bench YouTube channel and I'm Kunal. And in this video, we'll learn about DOM and covering what is DOM, why we need it and how to use DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Let's break it down to understand this. What is the document? Document means any kind of files. Here we talking about the HTML file. Object, every HTML element are the object. For example, HTML tag, head tag, body tag, all of these are the object. And model is the way how we can represent these HTML elements. So we can represent these HTML element in a tree-like structure, or you can say in object. If I define DOM, the document object model is a programming interface for HTML document. It represents the page in a tree-like structure, or you can say it changes the normal HTML code into an object format so that we can read, update or delete this. Or you can say DOM is an object-oriented representation of the web page which we can modify using scripting language such as JavaScript. So we'll learn what is DOM, but why we need this. We need DOM because we need to modify the web page. We can only do it if it is an object format, because JS not update the HTML file directly. We need the HTML page representation in object format so that we can edit this. And how we can edit the DOM? We can use JavaScript to modify the DOM. I give you an example. So I open my VS Code. So I have created a demo web page for you. So this is the HTML document, and if I inspect this page, so this is the DOM which is in a tree-like structure, as you can see. So if you want to change the DOM, you can use JavaScript. So I'm adding a script tag, and if I write console.log document, and if we check this in the console, and you can see all the document of this page is shown under the document. So if we want to update this DOM, we can do with the help of this document object. For example, if I need to change this what is DOM text to something else, I do is to document.get element by ID and select this DOM ID here, and we have a property dot inner HTML equal to the value that I need to display instead of the what is the DOM. So I write here we can update the DOM and save this file and refresh the page. So as you can see, we have updated the DOM by using the JavaScript. In this video, we'll learn about DOM and why we need this and how we can update the DOM. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. And if you like this video, click on the like button. And if you do not subscribe this channel yet, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for the latest video update. Thank you very much.